I'm like, I got all kinds of issues here that'll freak all of you out. And then I got kicked out of that college. And I went to the next college, and I showed up there, and I realized I still don't belong here. I still don't belong here. Funny thing I'll share with you, and I think Holly's in here, so she can tell you if I'm a liar or not. When I showed up, I tend to like curly-haired blonde girls, which Holly fits the bill. If you look at all my ex-girlfriends, like they could be the same person. So when I get there, I start noticing her. And her friends start talking about this new guy. I came in second semester, and none of them could remember my name, so they started calling me Gaston. Because I just stood out just a bit on a college campus, especially a Christian college campus. Then I get this job, and I go to my first church. It is in a one-stoplight Southern Virginia town. Like when I go in, they're like, take a right at the light. I'm like, the light? They're like, yeah, we have one. I go and interview with the preacher. He's got a big chew-in the whole time he's interviewing me. I'm like, is he messing with me? Like, is this like to see how I react? I don't know what to do with myself. What am I supposed to do? And he's spitting and interviewing me the whole time.